Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create stunning blended images using Midjourney's powerful blend command. The blend command on Midjourney is a powerful tool that allows you to merge 2 to 5 images into a novel creation. It's like magic for your photos. But before we start, remember that blend doesn't work with text prompts. If you want to combine text and images, stick to /imagine with image prompts. Now, let's take a look at the options available when using the /blend command. After typing the command, you'll be prompted to upload 2 photos. You can drag and drop images from your hard drive or add them from your mobile device's photo library. If you want to blend more than 2 images, use the optional field and add image 3, image 4, or image 5. Blended images typically have a default 1:1 aspect ratio, giving them the classic square look. However, you can customize this using the optional dimensions field. Choose between a square aspect ratio 1:1, portrait aspect ratio 2:3, or landscape aspect ratio 3:2. This allows you to tailor your creation to fit your vision. And don't forget about custom suffixes. Just like any other /imagine prompt, you can add your unique touch to /blend commands. Any aspect ratios specified within the /blend command will override those in a custom suffix. So, get creative and make your blends truly one of a kind. Before we wrap up, here's a tip. For the best results, upload images that have the same aspect ratio as your desired outcome. This will ensure a smoother blending process and give you the stunning results you're looking for. And that's about it. Now you know how to use Midjourney's /blend command to make awesome blended images. Happy blending!